Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
Tomato pumpkin rice soup recipe for babies and toddlers. Looking for a healthy soup recipe for your baby? Tomato pumpkin rice soup combines the goodness of vegetables, rice, and aromatic herbs that can make your baby's diet more nutrient-rich and delicious. Cooking method: stove. Meal schedule: lunch, evening snack or dinner. Suitable for weaning babies older than 9 months of age. Cooking time needed: 10 minutes for preparation, 35 minutes to cook, 45 minutes in total. Ingredients: what you'll need: 3 tomatoes, 1 pumpkin, 2 crushed garlic clove, 1 liter water. Salt as per taste, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, half a teaspoon pepper, 2 tablespoons olive oil or butter, 2 cups basmati rice, 2 pieces ginger. Instructions: how you'll make. Step 1. Blanch the tomatoes. Remove their skin and cut them into half. Step 2. Peel off the skin of pumpkin and cut it into cubes. Step 3. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large pan. Add in the garlic cloves and pumpkin cubes. Step 4. Sprinkle some salt and roast the pumpkin till it turns tender. Cover the pan to fasten the roasting process. Step 5. Add the roasted tomatoes to the soft pumpkin and saute for another 2 minutes. Step 6. Pour in the water or vegetable broth and let the mixture simmer for 10 minutes. Step 7. Once the mixture cools down, transfer it into a blender. Step 8. Make a smooth puree and stir in cooked rice and simmer it for a minute. Step 9. Sprinkle some herbs, lemon juice and basil leaves to season from the top. Recipe tips. Tip number 1. Use chili flakes, cayenne or chili oil for older children to this simple tomato pumpkin rice recipe to make it moderately hot. Tip number 2. Add finely chopped leek to the broth for a mild, onion-like crunchy taste. Tip number 3. You can mash and break the pumpkin with a wooden ladle instead of using a blender. Tip number 4. This homemade tomato pumpkin rice soup baby food recipe can be made tastier by adding coriander leaves to it. Tip number 5. Continuous reheating reduces the nutrition value of the soup. Tip number 6. Use olive oil instead of butter or chopped onion instead of garlic cloves. Tip number 7. Herbs like oregano, thyme, parsley can be used to garnish this soup. Try this healthy recipe. It will surely become your child's favorite dish.